Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
We are in Handsworth New Cemetery. Lance Corporal Harold Ernest Brayford, Home Guard, died 13th of September 1942, aged 33. (34995) Private Ernest Stickland, Durham Light Infantry, died 3rd of November 1918, aged 23. (2010) Private T. Sharp, Royal Army Medical Corps, died 17th of October 1915. (235360) Private T. H. E. W. BROWNETT, York and Lancashire Regiment, died 27th of December 1918, aged 23.
(99599) Gunner F. E. FAULKNER, died 2nd of November 1917, aged 25.
(98951) William Henry BULMER, Bombardier, died 1st of July 1919, aged 24. (314920) Private Charlie Rogers, 9th Lancers, died 16th of October 1920, aged 18. (29630) Private S.T. North, King's Own Yorkshire Light Infantry, died 15th of November 1918, aged 21. (49733) Harry Spencer, died 17th of November 1918, aged 23. W/11856 Lance Corporal Molly Carter, died 11th of May 1943, aged 21.
In 1943, she was in Great Yarmouth when it was subject to an air raid. It was a daylight low-level attack by 18 Focke-Wulf 190s of 2 SKG-10 at 8:45 a.m. on the 11th of May, 1943. The raiders crossing the coast just north of Britannia Pier and attacking the northern part of the town and exiting over the Winterton area. The raid was only detected about 1 minute before the attack. 14 500 kilograms high explosive bombs fell in various scattered residential areas in the north of the town. A squad of girls had been exercising that morning and had just marched back to their billet at Whitfield House, a large hostel at number 8 North Drive, when it received a direct hit from a He bomb.
(79871) Benjamin J. Pearson, died 8th of December 1947, aged 36. 2326148, aircraftman 2nd class, Kenneth Sharp, Royal Air Force, died 31st of October 1947, aged 19.
Kenneth Sharp was on a flight from the Mediterranean to the UK on board a Lincoln aircraft that was transporting 16 men from 101 Squadron. It was flying from Castel Benito, Tripoli, to Binbrook. It had climbed to 30,000 feet, and the oxygen supply turned on. Sergeant Patterson reported he found Sharp asleep 3 times, and that the oxygen pipe had fallen out of his mouth. Patterson then had to deal with a fire in the rear fuselage, and had to leave his oxygen tube. When he returned to his turret, he too collapsed. When he came round, he was told that Sharp was asleep again. Sharp was manually given oxygen until the Lincoln made an emergency landing at Tangmere. He was given oxygen in the ambulance while on his way to the station sick bay, but the oxygen supply on board the ambulance ran out and was later found to have had a leak. Sharp never regained consciousness. A verdict of accidental death was returned by the coroner.
T/214213, driver Albert Evans, Royal Army Service Corps, died 14th of April 1947, aged 34. (1675438), aircraftman 2nd class, Harry Price, Royal Air Force, died 20th of March 1945, aged 28.
Harry Price took off in a de Havilland DH.89A Dragon aircraft from RAF-1 Radio School Cranwell. While in the air, his aircraft had a mid-air collision with a Spitfire at 5,000 feet, plummeted to the ground and crashed at Witham on the Hill, South Kesteven, Lincolnshire. All 6 on board were killed. The pilot of Spitfire was also killed.
(114-20482), Joseph Douglas Grayson, died 27th of July 1943, aged 26. W/301241, Joyce Sanderson, died 12th of June 1946, aged 20. 4692517, Austin Ernest Bevan, died 12th of April 1944. (126.975), George Richard Saunders, died 25th of August 1942.
George Richard Saunders was a teacher training student at St Paul's College from 1930 to 1932. He joined 228 Squadron of the Royal Air Force as a pilot officer observer. While flying on a Sunderland flying boat carrying the Duke of Kent, the younger brother of George VI and Edward VIII, and had been 5th in line to the UK throne. The Sunderland was flying to Iceland and flying on instruments due to heavy fog veered off its planned flight path and crashed into the remote Eagles Rock, 181, in Caithness, Scotland. (202.799), Private J.T. Cawthorne,
King's Own Yorkshire Light Infantry, died 29th of July 1917, aged 30. St Joseph's Catholic Church, Handsworth.
6283893, Bombardier, John William Foreman, died 25th of July 1943.
John died when the army vehicle in which he was travelling with a colleague went along a road at Greenbrae, Dornoch, in Scotland, swerved off the road and crashed down onto the railway line.
2269153, aircraftman, 2nd class, James Haggerty, died 3rd of October 1946, aged 30.
He was cycling to work at Blackbush Airfield when he was struck by a car and died instantly.
4480, Sergeant John Connole, died 23rd of February 1916, aged 27.
John was promoted to sergeant on the 28th of September and was posted with the 10th Battalion. He then transferred to the 11th Battalion on the 9th of February 1916. John contracted pneumonia and died on the 23rd of February 1916 at Rugeley Barracks.